I'm recording the screen. Only the clock, though. Okay, let's talk about your test here for a second. Okay, question 1 is about XML. Okay, you need to know the difference between XML and HTML. Okay, I am recording this, so you'll get it. Okay. Question 2 is a true-false question about SSL. It's really, really, really basic.
It's one of 2 answers.
Yeah. Okay. Question 3 is about HTTPS. What is HTTPS? Anybody?
Hypertext Transport Protocol.
And then the S? Secured. Exactly. Hypertext Transport Protocol secured. You need to know what that is. And a little bit how it works. A very, very small bit. Maybe a number.
And they are open IT Professor Google, yes.
No, they're open Google. Yeah, you can do it at home. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
No, I'm not going to give you the answers.
Well,
Okay.
IT Professor Google. I didn't say
Oh.
Professor IT
Yeah.
Professor Google. I said
Yes.
IT
Okay, question 4. I'm giving you a credit card. Is it good or bad? So know how to do that. You done that?
You're not
Quite a few times, I hope, at this point. Question 5, same thing. Different, obviously different number. Actually, yeah, it's a different number. Question 6 is all about the whole the credit card process. Remember that? The 10-step process? Or 8-step, I think. Is it? No, it's 9. No, it is 10. Shit, whatever it is. That process, I can never remember. Pretty much is I give you a picture, and you got to tell me what's happening off of a drop-down list. So it's kind of,
Like the
yeah.
slide. Okay.
So pretty simple. Okay. Question 7 is another question about SSL. It's a fill in the blank, but it's multiple choice. So in other words, there's blanks, and I give you, then you just have to figure out which one would fit the blanks in correctly. Okay. So you don't have to fill in the blanks. I'm doing it. You just got to pick which fill-ins are correct. Question 8, another question about SSL. So I have the slides available for SSL. Okay. Question 9 is the goals of SSL. That's on one specific slide. And again, it's a fill-in, but I multiple choiced it, so I give you just got to figure out which one is the right goals. Question 10. I want to know about one of the most dangerous threats out there. And if you get this one wrong, you fail the entire course and the entire degree program.
No, it's Stokely who's the most dangerous.
That's
threat.
true.
That's why you fired him.
Yes.
I was going to say ISIS.
Yeah. All right.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay. International commerce. There's some problems with it. Just know what they are. Okay. Question 12.
Oh, convergence, like currency and stuff like that.
Yeah. Yes. Right. Okay. You're on the right track. Okay. Question 12. What happens in the credit card? It's pretty much the same one, but now it's which parties are involved in the credit card process. Okay. Question 13.
Isn't it that slide that had like 14 going
Where they talk
back
about like
and
the story
forth?
starting.
Yes. Right. You know, you present the order contacts your bank, and that bank contacts their bank. Yeah, that stuff.
Making
Okay.
sure you have the money. Does he have the money?
Right.
Yes, he's got it.
Exactly.
Buy it.
That all happens in like a few seconds.
Yeah, now it's, it was funny because I remember when Sam's first implemented Framely years ago, very fast internet at the time, you could literally scan your card and the receipt popped right out. It was like, shit, came right out. Come on, you got to admit, a lot of those darn quick nowadays. So it's pretty nice. Okay. Question 13 is, I think, the one question about how the internet works.
It's a bunch of tubes.
It's a bunch of tubes. No.
Through a tangle.
A tangled set of tubes. So, all right. It's not a whatever. What did you say it wasn't? It's not a big truck.
But he received
Bunch of
the internet today in an email sent yesterday.
All right. So that's all the first test. The first test is due April 26th, which will be Sunday.
And how many questions is it?
I think it was 13 or 14. Wow, somebody already did it.
Wait, what? Did what?
Somebody already took the test.
Oh, wow.
It's probably the guy that didn't show up to class.
Yeah, someone already took it. Wow.
They don't even need the study guide.
Did they make 100?
Darn close. They missed one.
Which
Obviously, they
build up to
didn't
that.
use
Which one did
IT
they-
Professor Google.
Which one did they miss?
I didn't look at that. Now, there's 14 questions, but some are worth more points than others. Obviously, the credit card process is many steps, so it's more points.
I thought it was just copy paste.
You can't
Remember
copy
he
the
said he wanted you to
slide
do
and
stuff.
paste the slide.
All right, so okay, so exam 1's is April 26th.
And exam 2.
You know, that's a good idea. Let's continue with exam 2. You might as well
I'm
talk.
just saying, because it's up there, study guide.
Yeah, that's true. We're going to talk about exam 2 at the same time. All right. So exam 2 now. It's due May 3rd. Yes, the study guide is on the news page in D2L.
Yes, it's on the very top.
Okay. We haven't talked about a lot of this yet, so some of it might be weird. Can't see it. Yeah, it's right there on the screen. Okay. I'm talking about how the certificate revocation process works. Okay, we haven't covered that yet, so that sucks. But
Go ahead and take it and then.
yeah.
Don't worry about it later.
Question 2 is about the same time, which is about a key compromise when it pertains to certificate revocation. Question 3, again, revoking a certificate. Know how that works. All right.
Gee, you want to renew it?
Question 4, another question about certificate revocation list. So you might want to know those slides. That's what, 3, 4, 5. Oh, question 5, same thing. Same topic, CRLs again. Question 6, what's a good password? What makes up a good password? Question 7, if you get it wrong, drop the course. So pretty much. It's that easy.
So if you get number 7.
Yeah, number 7 is that easy. I can't tell you any more about
Well,
it.
you gotta go over what it is.
Just say one word.
Multiple choice.
Okay, there you go. Perfect.
It's multiple choice. There you go. It's about availability and who can use stuff, who can access it, that kind of stuff.
Everyone can use stuff,
Okay.
unless it's bigger.
Question 8. Believe it or not, certificate revocation, key compromise again. Question 9. Not that. It's about web pages. Okay. I think we actually covered this one already.
It sounds about right.
Yeah, we did. All right, question 10. Have the ability to change stuff and edit stuff. So what about that? Can't give you too much more. Again, if you get 7 or 10 wrong, just drop, quit. Or someone will probably complain I said that. But
Monday was the last day to drop, so that's not fair.
Does that count for 8 weeks? Second half, 8 weeks?
actually, the second 8 weeks, I don't know how that works.
That is
I don't know.
But
I
I'm
don't-
just saying, it's.
Yeah, that's true. It's
So
beyond. You're right.
therefore, it's not fair for you to tell us to drop.
Fine. Okay, don't drop. Just fail. No, just kidding. No, the point is that question's that easy. It's like, how can you get it wrong? Yes, someone always does. Okay. I got a question about browser chatter. That's question 11. Oh, question 12. Guess what that one's about?
what we just talked about.
Key compromise again. CRL, key compromise type stuff.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be about Hawaiian shirts.
Okay.
Or where to buy babies.
You know what? I swear. Oh, okay. And remember question 7 and 10? Remember I said 7 and 10? Well, 13 is the same one.
Okay, same type.
Same exact type. Get it wrong, you really need help.
Bring you cupcakes. if
Well, I
you
need
get
to
it
know
wrong.
you help, regardless. I think
Question 14, bad passwords again. What's a good password? What's a bad password?
Are these like you give us examples and we say yes or no?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah, 'cause there's
somewhat
there's a lot
along
of
those
things
lines.
I can think of plenty of bad passwords.
Monkey 45 is.
Okay, so would a word out of the dictionary be a bad password?
Yes.
Okay, so it's that kind of
Well,
stuff.
it depends on what word it is.
No, if it shows up on the dictionary list, it's a bad word.
Yeah.
But if you use anti-disestablishmentarianism, it takes a long time.
No, we're
to
not talking
unpack
about-
it.
Actually,
Because
but
that's in the
dictionary
age
check
of
can
the
check it
dictionary,
instantly.
So it just, 1, 2, 3, oh, there's anti-disestablishmentarianism.
It does. It can literally check the entire dictionary
It
in
only needs to get to the
0.2
anti.
seconds.
Whatever checks it.
But what if you do anti-disestablishmentarianism and then a bunch of other.
So then it's no longer a dictionary word. Now it's
Yeah.
dictionary word with added components. So it's,
But it would still be in it, so I think.
But if
Yeah.
you do,
website,
like,
they would
At least
find
part of it will
if
get
you
it.
use anti-disestablishmentarianism.
all right, hush. We're not talking about that no more. Question 15. You need to know about some different dates. We haven't covered that lecture yet. Okay? I mean, I told you we haven't covered all this stuff yet.
Save the date.
When is my anniversary?
Okay.
I don't know, man.
All right. Question 16. There's a privacy project. It's about that.
That we haven't covered yet.
Right. Question 17. I give you some tasks, and you have to tell me which job position would take care of this. We haven't covered it yet. Okay. This is weird giving you a review, and I haven't even covered the material yet.
You vomit outside. What?
Okay. Yes. If the floor is dirty, which job would take care of that? The cleaning crew. See, just like that. Exactly. Okay. Okay, and I give you an example of something, and you have to tell me, is this enforceability? Is it accessibility? Is it conspicuousness? Is it observability? What is this? We've already covered this, by the way. Okay. There's something that you can anticipate something. It's a question about that.
Okay.
I know this is vague, but select the 3 elements of a contract is the next one.
Okay.
Exact question.
Beginning, middle, and end.
So how
There's
much
something that has 3 letters in it. Starts with PGP.
pretty
Question
fast
about
forward.
that. Question 22. About the same thing about PGP as well. 23, same thing.
So this one's gonna be like 30-something questions, while the other one's only 14.
Yeah, and then the last question is 24, and it's about something we talked about today. It's about digital documents.
We talked about bathing suits.
Yeah, we
So
did.
ERP.
We talked about bathing suits. Exactly. So we talked about a lot of stuff today. All right, that should give you the reviews for the first 2 tests.